Hey guys, it's Mike, and today I'm going to show you how my family taught me how to cook rice. Now, everybody knows Asians and Spanish people make the best rice, and whether it's in a pot or in a rice cooker, we all do it the same way. The first thing you're going to do is rinse it off, which I'm going to show you I'm doing right here, and you're going to rinse the rice until the water runs clear. And then after you've drained all of the dirty water and the water runs clear, what you're going to do is you're going to take your finger, your pointer finger, and you're going to measure the water until it hits this marker on your finger right here. And now this works with any amount of rice, and I'm going to actually show you exactly how that works right now. So once you've got that all set up and you've got your pot filled with water up to that marker on your finger, you're going to put your burner on as high as it can go. And then you're going to let it come to a boil, and that's what we're doing right now. Okay, now you can see the rice here is kind of boiling over, and that's when you can take the lid off and just let it finish boiling. Okay, and our rice is almost done here. You can see the bubbles are starting to get smaller here. So we're about 5-6 minutes away from it being finished. And at this point, you're really going to want to keep your eye on it, because if you let it go too far, you're going to burn the rice at the bottom, and you definitely don't want that. Burnt rice, no good. So let's just go ahead and keep an eye on this, and I'll show you what it looks like when it's just about ready to finish, and you can take it off the heat. Okay, so we are getting close with our rice. So let's take a look here. If you tilt it here, see there's still a little bit of fluid. We're still trying to get rid of that though. So we're gonna let that go. These bubbles that you're seeing right here, we're waiting for them to almost go away, but not completely. Once again, we're still on high on our small burner here, and we're getting really close. It'll happen in almost an instant. That's why I say you should keep an eye on this while you are waiting for this to happen. And while you're waiting for the rice to finish off the last little bit, you're going to want to get like a little tea towel or a small hand towel to put on the surface of wherever you're cooking. Or if you're cooking on like a granite countertop, you can just set it right on the countertop. Or if you don't want to damage anything, I just get a little towel that I can put my pot of rice on. So we're starting to hear some whistling sound, and the bubbles are starting to go away. They're still there, but they're almost non-existent. You can see they're kind of all in different spots now. So we let that go. Alright, getting close. Getting very, very close. And as you can see now, we're right there. You can see a lot more steam starting to come up. That means that there is almost no water left in the bottom. So now what we're going to do is we're going to remove it from the heat. And that's going to keep going, as you can see. And then we're going to cover it for 10 more minutes and let that sit. Okay, so now that we've let this sit for about 10 minutes covered, now we're going to let it sit for another 10 minutes uncovered off the heat. So this burner is totally cold now, so I'm just going to let it sit here so you can see it kind of just finish up right here. Okay guys, so we've got our rice here. And as you can see, nice and fluffy. Perfect. Nice and fluffy and light. No burn on the bottom. It's just perfect rice. Ready to soak up some soy sauce or sauce from any dish that you're gonna make. And that's how you make perfect rice every time. Alright guys, if you like this video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. And if you have any questions, go ahead and leave a comment below. And please consider subscribing. Thanks guys, bye.